Okay, so now we will be discussing the topic of inverses. So the first step is how to solve them algebraically, and as you can see here, our equation is y equals 3x plus 5. Now the first step to solving this is switching the x and y variables. So now this equation is going to change to x equals 3y plus 5. Now what you're going to do is you're going to try and solve and isolate y. So in this equation, you're going to move the 5 to the left side, which then changes the sign from positive to negative. Therefore, the equation changes to x minus 5 equals 3y. The last step here is to isolate y for the last time. And by doing that, you're going to divide both sides by 3. So the new equation is going to be y equals x minus 5 divided by 3. Therefore, the inverse for the equation y equals 3x plus 5 is y equals x minus 5 divided by 3.
Now moving on to function composition. Function composition is the process of putting two equations into each other in order to determine if they are inverses. So it's a way that you can determine whether they are or not after you have found them algebraically. And as you can see in this picture, you put the function of f of x, and if you put it into the function machine, it'll come back out as x. It'll go back into the g of x1, it'll come back out as x. And if you flip those and do it the opposite way, it should also come out x. And from there, it'll prove that the two are inverses. So now moving on to the equation, we have f of x equals 3x plus 5, and g of x equals x minus 5 divided by 3. And if you do f of g of x equals, you would plug in x minus 5 for the g of x. It would be 3 times x minus 5 divided by 3 plus 5. And then you would do opposite, you would plug, then you would solve, So it would be x minus 5 plus 5, because you would divide by 3, and that would cancel out the 3's, and then you would get f of g of x equals x. Now if you do it the other way, you would do opposite. You would do g of f of x, and that would equal 3x plus 5 minus 5 divided by 3. And to solve that, you would divide the 3 so they'll cancel out, getting you plus 5 minus 5, so then those would cancel out also, and that would equal x. Therefore, g of f of x equals x. This proves that the number inputted into one equation is the output of the other equation.
Сейчас мы увидим, как сделать по-другому. Мы начинаем про graphically. У нас есть equation y equals 3x plus 5. Когда мы эти номеры в equation мы сделаем 5, 8, 11, 14. А по другой equation у нас есть на x-side 5, 8, 11, 14, а на y 0, 1, 2 и 3. Мы увидим, что эти номеры по другой. Один, где y идет на x, и где на x идет на y. Мы можем увидеть, когда мы положим эту equation на graph, ты можешь увидеть, как там есть линия of symmetry, и одна сторона как другая на эту голубую линию. У нас есть один practice problem. Давай сделаем вместе. Тебе нужно сделать x minus 7 divided by 4 equals y. Спасибо. Все. Пока.